directly. Open the door. Dancing like no one is watching love.
Let's go. Welcome to the main event. Applying pressure, but I promise I ain't make it then. In their heads, living free, I ain't paying rent. Wake up in the AM, making G's like Mercedes-Benz. Whoa, yeah, please don't take offense. It isn't you, I'm just not interested in making friends. My biggest fear is finding out that this came and went. So go ahead, but I'm staying in. Okay, drop a song and pop up on your phone like I was YouTube. Connected to the fans without a hand, I did it Bluetooth. The only time I come up short is when they watching YouTube. Spinning with the drill, no wonder why my screws loose. Taking off and I can't stop, I beat them all by a landslide. Houdini, I popped out of that box even with hands tied. Big dog like Sandlot, but it's real life, no fantasize. Counting money, a damn lie, my hands clean, no sanitize. Whoa, had to switch up on the flow, gotta keep them on their toes. I move quick, I make the most, why they copy what I wrote. Follow everything I post, never trip about a clone. Cause they know what's a sheep to a goat. Yeah. Welcome to the main event. Applying pressure, but I promise I ain't make it then. In their heads, living free, I ain't paying rent. Wake up in the AM, making G's like Mercedes-Benz. Whoa, hey, please don't take offense. It isn't you, I'm just not interested in making friends. My biggest fear.
Dapat mong makita. Nagawa mo na ba ang mga bagay na dapat mong ginawa? Kalagan ng kali sa paa, imulat ng iyong mga mata. Kay sarap ng buhay, lalo na't alam mo kung saan papunta.
It's these expressions I never give that keep me searching for a heart of gold. And I'm getting old. Keep me searching for a heart of gold. And I'm getting old, yeah.
Till the day I let you go, till we say our next hello, it's not goodbye. Till I see you again, I'll be right here, remembering when. And if time is on our side, there will be no tears to cry on down the road.
Ubus yan, pagdating doon, wala na, balat na lang yan.
Ito pala, ubusin na.
Ubusin na ito eh. Yeah, gutom na. Miss ko siya.
Buse, may hanap na rin biker, mamang ano sa akin. Karami na rin sa akin biker.
Kaya napigyan po tayo simple. Kaya po kulot ilang mapapot.
Halo, John. Opo, totoo ito. Tagyawat. Hanggang yung dalagang pong bendang wali doon. Kaya makatok na king kay, kaya subot. Kapakalang tagyawat.
Kaya gano'n siya. Mayumulak siya. Wala mo naman kasi tabayin.
Kaya hanap na rin biker. Mamang sa akin. Mamang sa akin. Ayos yan, hindi pa namin tagayin.
Nasa tao ang pagpaplano, ngunit ang Panginoon ang nagpapasya kung magaganap ito o hindi. Inaakala natin na tama ang lahat ng ating ginagawa, ngunit ang Panginoon lang ang makakapaghusga kung ano talaga ang ating motibo. Ipagkatiwala mo sa Panginoon ang lahat ng iyong gagawin at magtatagumpay ka. Ang lahat ay nilikha ng Panginoon na mayroong layunin. Kahit na nga ang masasama, itinalaga sila para sa kapahamakan. Kinasusuklaman ng Panginoon ang mayayabang at tiyak na sila'y parurusahan. Kung minamahal natin ang Panginoon ng may katapatan, patatawarin niya ang ating mga kasalanan. Kung may takot tayo sa Kanya ng may paggalang, makalalayo tayo sa kasamaan. Kapag kinalulugdan ng Panginoon ang ating pamumuhay, kahit na ang ating kaaway ay gagawin niyang ating kaibigan. Mas mabuti ang kaunting halaga na pinaghirapan kaysa sa malaking kayamanang galing sa masamang paraan